All right, the next problem that we have is to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So let's go through and take a look at that. So we want the sum of the first 10 terms. Here is our sum formula for an arithmetic sequence. So it's the sum of numbers equals n over 2, and then a sub 1 plus a sub n. So here we want the sum of the first 10 terms of this sequence. Let's go ahead. It is an arithmetic sequence, means it's being added or subtracted. Okay, let's find the difference here. So the common difference is going to be 142 minus 61. So 81. And let's just go ahead and check that with the second term. So 223 minus 142. 81. Okay, so we're adding 81 each time. Okay, so in order to find what we need for this formula, so you have the sum of 10 terms is going to be 10 over 2 times a sub 1. So our a sub 1 here is 61, first term given. I need the 10th term though. Okay, so I need a sub 10. So that's what we need to find. All right, so what we're going to do is we have the formula for an arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So to find the 10th term, I'm going to plug my first term, which is the 61, plus 10 minus 1 times our common difference, which we found was 81. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 81 is 729. And 61 plus 729 is 790. So it's 61 plus 9 times 81. And again, 9 times 81 was 729. So 61 plus 729. Okay, that gave us our a sub 10 of 790. Okay, so we're going to plug that in right here. And then we're going to do our formula. So this is going to be 61 plus 790, which is going to be 851. And then 10 over 2 is 5. So the sum of our first 10 terms is 5 times 851. So 4,225 is the sum of the first 10 terms of this sequence. All right, next problem we have, find the first term and common difference for the arithmetic sequence. So here you're given the 25th and the 34th term. So there's a couple different ways to do this problem. I have found that the best way is to set up a system of equations. So given that, let's go ahead and take the information that we have. We know that the formula for an arithmetic, sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. So given that information, we know that the 25th term is 380. So let's set this up with that. So we know that the 25th term, so if I said a sub 25 is 380. So it goes there. I don't know a sub 1. I do know that it is the 25th term. And I don't know the common difference. Okay, so let me go ahead and simplify this. So I have 380 equals a sub 1 plus 2040. Okay, so that's my first equation. My second equation, I have the 34th term. So the 34th term is 524. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So the 34th term is 524. That's your a sub n. Okay, a sub 1 is unknown. I know that the n is 34 because it's my 34th term, so I'm going to plug that in. So I get a sub 1 plus 34 minus 1d. All right, so then simplifying that, I get 524 equals a sub 1 plus 33d. Okay, well now I have a system of equations. So I can do either elimination or substitution for this. So let's say I take this equation and I solve for a sub 1. So I subtract the 33d and I get 524 minus 33d equals a sub 1. I'm going to plug that in to this equation for a sub 1. A sub 1 is 524 minus 33d. And then I'm going to solve the rest of my equations. So I'm going to bring down the 380 and the 24d. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this. So I'm going to go negative 33 plus 24, and that's going to give me a negative 9. So I've got 380 equals 524 minus 90. I'm going to subtract the 524 from both sides. It's going to cancel out right here. I've got 380 minus 524. That's going to give me negative 144. Okay, and then divide by negative 9. So negative 144 divided by negative 9 gives us 16. So our common difference is 16. So that's the first thing that we needed. The second thing we need is a sub 1. We'll come back over here. A sub 1 is 524 minus 33d. So 524 minus 33 times 16 equals a sub 1. So 33 times 16 is 528. So 524 minus 528 equals a sub 1, which should give us negative 4. Okay, so looking at the question, find the first term and the common difference. So the first term is negative 4, the common difference 16. Now how can we check that? We can check that, we can find the formula for the arithmetic sequence. Okay, we can plug these in. So we could say a sub n equals negative 4 plus n minus 1 times 16. And let's find the 25th term and see what that is. So a sub 25 equals negative 4 plus 25 minus 1 times 16. So negative 4 plus 24 times 16. So let's see what that is. Oop, 380. And what we were given in the beginning of the problem was that the 25th term was 380. So it works out.